Hey guys, welcome. If you're new here, I'm Savannah, and today I'll be showing you how to get these bomb braid out results, how to get that shine, that definition, and I'll be showing you the way that I section my hair and applied product. And today I'll be featuring all Alikay Natural products, which I'm super excited about. So if you want to see more, just keep on watching. So starting off, I'm sectioning my hair straight down the middle, and then I am sectioning from ear to ear, so we'll have 4 sections all together. So basically for the braid out, I wanted to do the lock method, which is liquid, oil, and then a cream. So starting off with the liquid, we are using the lemongrass leave-in conditioner, which is an award-winning product. So I'm super excited to try this out because I have really high expectations to get all the moisture that I need in my hair and that shine. So you definitely want to make sure to comb through the product all the way from the root to tip. So now we're going to split our section in half in triangle sections. And now it's time for the oil. So we're going to go in with glazed argan oil. Take a little bit of that. And then we're going in with the cream, which is the Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer. And it melts right into your hand. The main ingredient is shea butter, so it does melt right into your hair. And let me just let you guys know that this is my first time doing a flat braid out instead of doing like singles. So I'm actually really impressed with myself. I told myself I would get it down. So don't take this as a how to kind of cornrow tutorial. Just take this as a how I like to section and apply my product for the perfect defined braid out. And once we get toward the ends, I'm just gonna spray a little bit more of that leave-in conditioner to really moisturize the ends. Now moving on to the next section, we are going to apply the products the same way. As you can see, I just dampened my hair a little bit more. I really think that the lock method helps to lock in all that moisture and leaves your hair super hydrated. And you definitely want to make sure that your products are evenly applied throughout your section. Getting towards the end, I just finger curled my ends and made sure that they were moisturized. Moving on to the front sections of my hair, I kind of just did a side part the way I normally wear my hair to. And once again, we're just going in with that leave-in conditioner, applying it to the whole section, and then I am splitting that section into 2 smaller sections. We're gonna go in with the argan oil and then the cream. So I'm just repeating the steps for the lock method, making sure that each section is really saturated with the product. For your braid out, you don't have to have perfect partings, but you want to make sure that your sections are in the correct place so that you don't have any weird gaps or anything like that. And just keep making sure to hit those ends with products so that your ends aren't dry, and also just go in and curl your ends as well. Yes girl, really make sure to get in there with that brush and comb through all of those products. And in the back of my head, as you can see, I kind of just have triangle like sections, so everything is pointing up toward the crown area of my head. As I kept applying the leave-in conditioner, it was really softening, and I felt that it really moisturized my hair. Like, the hype is real with this product. And for the creme brulee, I would definitely recommend this mostly for twist outs, braid outs, and sets like that. I wouldn't use this on a wash and go because it kind of is like a shea butter and it melts into your hair. It isn't something that'll give you like definition to your natural curls. And now I'm just smoothing out my edges so that we can get a nice clean braid in the front. So in total I had 8 braids, 4 triangle sections in the back, and then 4 vertical sections in the front. And we are finally done, looking real cute, looking like bye Felicia. Before you take any braids out, you need to make sure that your hair is 110% dry, and to do so I like to wrap my hair in this turban scarf. This is an infinity scarf. I just wear it in like a low bun style. I let my hair dry for about a day and a half. And now it's finally time to take these bad boys down. My hair still smells so good, and I'm first going in with the argan oil. I wanted to really hit my ends with this because they were getting a little crispy just from being out. I think next time I'll probably wrap them with perm rods or flexi rods just to protect them a little bit more. Now time to get unraveling. You just kind of want to do this, I mean, as gentle as possible. So just going through all your braids, unravel them. Take more oil as you go, just so that your braids can slip apart really easily. I know you guys see how shiny and moisturized my hair looks just from these products. I think they really performed well. Look at that definition and that movement. So we're finally here with our last braid, and as you can see we have definition all throughout. And now everything is taken and down. It's time to go in and fluff it all up. I'm taking my wide tooth comb and kind of just picking at my roots to get rid of any separation gaps. And just pulling apart any chunky curls, separating and fluffing until it's to my liking. As you can see, we have absolutely no frizz. I love how this braid out turned out with the combination of these 3 products, and they are all curly girl friendly with natural ingredients, and they are free of any harsh chemicals, which we love. All of these products can be found at select Target stores, so make sure to check them out. I will also leave links in the description box. Make sure to like this video, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in my next one.